Hey everybody, Rich Noto here, Florida licensed realtor, Florida licensed home inspector, Florida notary public with loan signing agent certification. And being construction trained is one of the many things that separates me from the other realtors out there. They don't understand construction. That's because they don't have any construction-based licensing or certifications. I use that licensing and certification to help my customers along the way to reduce home defects. And if you buy a house that has a lot of home defects, or the defects are in the right place, after you close, that's going to be on you, unfortunately. And it could cost hundreds of dollars, if not thousands of dollars, to make repairs on a house. So you always want to have a house that's well built. And that's the most important part of the process, which most buyers overlook. Hey, and I do work for you and represent you as a home buyer's agent. I do not work for or represent any home builder salespeople. The builders always work for and represent the builder. And I know that that's a lot of stuff, but it's a good intro and it kind of covers the basics. So I'm over at Veranda Village, and this model behind me is the Trevi model from Lennar. Single story house, has a nice tile roof. So let's go inside and have a look at this house. Looks nice from the outside. Let's check out the inside. I don't know if I've ever seen a Trevi. I may have. I'm getting kind of a bit confused with all these homes because I've seen so many over the years and I have tons of videos. So the Trevi, I like the tile roof. And this house is 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2,032 square feet. I didn't think it was going to be that big, to be honest. We are out in Estero, Florida, which is over by Fort Myers. Oh, it feels good in here. It is so hot outside. Oh, I think it's like 98 degrees right now. So let's see, first impression. Here's where I'm standing, off in the corner by the front door. It feels wide, it feels spacious. It also doesn't feel like it's that long, like it's not going that far back. And we have a bedroom. So it should be a pretty large house at this square footage. Usually these single-story homes, once you get into that 2,000 and up square foot range, they feel more spacious than like the ones that are 1,500 square feet. And here we have a bedroom. And a bathroom. That's better, a little light. Let's see, what's this going to be? Is this a closet? Yep, it's a coat closet. So the Trevi 2, 4 beds, 3 baths, 2-car garage. The kitchen is 10 feet 2 inches by 18 feet 4 inches. That's pretty good info right there. So when you look at that, you figure, I guess the kitchen stops where the wall is. Quite possibly. What do we have here? We got a bedroom, with its own attached bath. Very nice. So call it what you will, an ensuite or a second master bedroom. Some builders call a master bedroom even if it has 1 sink. I know sometimes people think it has to have 2 sinks, but it doesn't. And here's a laundry room. What's this going to be? The garage, maybe? Yes, it is, the garage, and it's pretty busy in there. in your dining room, your living room, or however you would set it up. Very decent size island, not too small, not very large, but countertop space is good. You can put a lot of stuff on it. As you can see, the model has a lot of stuff on it. And a pantry. Is the pantry light? No, maybe not. Oh, here it is. There's your pantry. Good sized pantry. Another view of the kitchen. Let's see, what do we have here? We got a pool. Very nice, beautiful. Closet. And there's a closet behind me as well, and there's a second master closet. It's obviously the master bedroom. So it's a little bit smaller than the other closet. But there's two of them, so it's a very decent size. Enhanced bath layout. I like these signs. That's smart doing this. Definitely adds to it. I guess it adds to the experience when you're touring a model. A little bit more information. Very big shower. Look at that. I'm going to go over the top of the door. And here's your closet. And here's your toilet. Owner's suite, 13 feet 10 inches by 14 feet 10 inches. Yeah, it feels like that. So how many beds we had? 4. So let me just recap this. There's one bedroom here. Maybe I'll do it this way. There's one bedroom here. The laundry room is over there. And then I think, I feel like I walked into a spider web. Yeah, 2 bedrooms here. So got this room, which I think I missed. Did I miss this? Maybe. Oh, I like the whales. Very nice. So this bedroom is definitely a smaller bedroom, but it's still a good size. As you can see, they have a desk, and then there's a twin bed. So, pretty good. And then over here, we got a full bathroom. HVAC closet right here. This is the bathroom. The bedroom, excuse me, when you first walk in. This bedroom feels larger for sure. Yeah, this is definitely a larger bedroom.